Satyaprakash. We will be doing the Arcade Adventure Cloud SQL. Let's open it first. Now let's start the lab. The lab code is ARC236. Now as you can see, our task 1 suggests us to open this link. Now let's copy the adventure application link and paste it in our incognito mode. Just paste over here, paste it. Now while it opens, let's go and see what our task asks and see. To begin our adventure, we have to copy this story code, that is SQL. Just copy over here. Now go back to and just paste over here SQL and submit. Now you can just click anything. Let's start. I just go with querying. I will choose SQL, indexing and partitioning, and I got 75. Let's assessment, submit assessment. Now let's go back. As you can see over here, you will get your lab assessment, that is lab service and code, and just copy it. Go over here, just paste it and submit. Let's end our lab over here, and lab and in lab.